Can I wait? I'm gonna actually pull it up on my phone. See if you're live. If you're live.
There we go.
I'm gonna actually pull it up on my phone.
Oh, it works. I'm live. You see it?
Wait. Yes.
Okay, good.
Okay, you are live.
I am gaming.
You are gay.
Wow, I just had a lag spike.
That might be from just being, I don't know, just lag spike. Could be from me screen sharing, actually. I'm gonna stop that. Because I was dropping so many frames while, like, 4 people were screen sharing. I was dropping insane frames.
Okay, now I don't think I'm dropping frames.
Yeah, you're probably not. You're probably playing fine.
Oh, I'm still dropping frames.
Why are you dropping frames?
I don't know, I'm just getting random lag spikes.
Try closing your game and
Bro,
reopening. I don't know, that was happening to me yesterday. Could be the servers, could be the application. I doubt it's your computer.
it could be fat.
Because now I'm fine today. Like, I was getting lots of lag. I was getting a lot of lag spikes while we were in a call with, like, Andrew, and Kuzu. I was getting lag spikes. But now I'm fine. So I don't know.
I'm still getting lag spikes.
Oh, wait, try stopping the stream and then see how it works.
Hold up. You know what?